pick elite spots. You know who I am, right? This is an amateur hour. Are you ready?
Huh?
I said, are you ready?
Rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll. We're here at our campsite.
Look at that giant, what's it called?
Where? What?
Not railroad ties, but these things.
Hmm?
What is it called again?
Like a parking?
Yeah, look how big that one is over there.
Oh yeah, that's huge. Elite packing job by us. Really an elite packing job by me, inspired by TikTok,
Yeah, right.
having giant bins.
I want to put this one in there.
I mean the bin. I mean the bin.
Yeah, this tent was what, $100?
Not even. I think it was like $60. It's like frozen together in parts of it. Good morning from the mountains. Well, not really. We're in the meadows.
Hello.
Hi.
I brought you a tea.
Oh my gosh.
It's still hot too, so cheers.
Cheers. Ding. Always do your hair after you change because it's gonna get messed up.
Rule number 1.
But we finally are here to conquer it. Quick story. The last 2 times that we've tried to go to Old Rag, we've been unsuccessful. So we are here getting the intel for the Hot Girl Hikers for the trip to Shenandoah in May. Oh yeah, this is the merch bottle for Joshua Tree. TBD on what the merch will be for Shenandoah yet, but very cool, very cool. Obviously, I have my hat. We're merched out. And yeah, no, it's gonna be good. I'm excited. It begins. Took us what, 2 hours? Let's look at the watch.
Hour 35.
Show me the watch. Hour 35. Okay, pretty much an hour 35 of continuous climbing.
Big climbers.
It was really hard, but worth it. Ah! There's so much happening. Nice. In the world is going on here? Okay, we've actually reached the summit now. We were tricked 4 times. 4 times we were tricked.
We're actually all the way up.
No, we actually are all the way up.
Walk around and then go normal. Go like this way.
Feels good. King of the castle.
Legs are feeling weak.
Yeah, no, our legs hurt so bad. We had to walk backwards just for some relief. Really, it's our knees, I think, that I have a bit of a struggle right now.
Quads are decelerating, so it's like you're
Hang on, we got to get the fitness expert in here.
the entire time you're trying to walk downhill, you're trying to basically prevent yourself from running. So you're just
No, yeah, you're
putting
so
you're
right.
decelerating, just putting on the brakes for 5 miles straight.
Yeah, pretty much. So, notes. I have so many notes, honestly. I thought I was recording for like the last 5 minutes. I'm making a sandwich for breakfast. It's just a turkey sandwich left over from yesterday. The download is that I have so many thoughts about Old Rag. Like, I'm so happy that we came here and did this ahead of time, because going into that blind would have been not only not fun, like it's so important to me personally to feel like I am an expert guide for everyone who's going. Like, I want to be reliable. I need to know the lay of the land. That's why I'm not taking people to parks that I've never been to. Like, I only want to take people to parks that I've been to, that I know the hikes, that I know what I'm doing. So, because this is within 3 hours, I mean, give or take traffic from our house, I was like, this is perfect. Like, we have to go and preview this so that I know what's up. Oh my gosh. Hang on. Okay, we're back from that. So, what was I saying? Oh yeah, about how like important it is to me to be able to be there for the girls. Like, they're experiencing this for the first time. I want to make sure that I am providing all the support that I can so that everyone feels super comfortable. And yeah, so I'm so glad that we did this ahead of time, because the bugs, number one, bugs were present, especially in the first little bit. If there wasn't wind, there were a little bit of bugs, so bug spray is definitely a must. 2, we're definitely going to get there early. We're definitely going to get there early because the parking lot was full, and parking in the overflow parking lot was not a huge deal, but it did add like just a little bit extra. And by the time you're done with 9.2 miles or 9.4 miles, you don't want to add another 0.4. The other major learning was that like the first 2 hours are just like straight up hard. Like, that's it. Like, there's no other way around it. It's hard. I'm going to be sending out an email to my Shenandoah girlies to work on that cardio. This is not a casual hike. This is not something to take on lightly. There were people of all shapes and sizes doing this hike, but to do the like full 9 miles includes a scrambling portion, which was really fun, really challenging, got your brain going and all that great stuff, but requires a certain level of like, first off, base cardio just to like get up the mountain, because it's pretty much just like climbing straight up for an hour and a half. So like, that's that. Get on that treadmill, get on that incline, girls. And the scrambling portion requires just like base flexibility and strength to be able to like hoist yourself up and grab onto things and like pull your knees basically all the way up to your chest at multiple points so that you can get maneuvered around all these rocks. So it was really good learning. And I also have a plan for the girlies who don't want to go that extreme now. Like, there's a way to do it where you see beautiful, gorgeous views, you go in, it's still like 7 miles round trip, so it's definitely still long, but you can go up to a certain point and then turn around and go back. The trail is traditionally a loop. So we can have the girlies that want to do the whole thing with the scramble, and we'll go, and then we'll give the option, like, here's your choice point, like, choose your own adventure. Like, if you don't want to do the scrambling, you can turn around and go back, and you really won't get done like so much faster. It's just a different experience. So overall, like, I'm so glad that we did this. What else? Well, we went to that little bar last night, which, like, that was pretty cute. Don't wear any nice jewelry because you're gonna be grabbing onto rocks and things. My manicure survived though, so, like, I don't want to scare anybody. Like, it's not undoable. It's just be prepared. Anything else? I think that's it too. So we're gonna eat this sandwich, and then we're gonna go preview a trail for the sunset portion of the trip.